Hello everyone, welcome back to Beauty Meets DIY. This is Helen. So today I have a Burberry flannel storage inspired basket for you guys. So from the Dollar Tree you're going to need one of these collapsible storage bins. You're also going to need our Burberry inspired scarf, and I also picked up this buffalo checkered pattern, I believe is what it's called. It's very popular this year. I think either one would make a very cute storage bin, but I decided to go with the quote-unquote Burberry inspired. And you're also going to need two of these scarves. I love them, they're so soft. So just remember that you are going to need to cut out this handle part right here, and you just want to play around and situate your fabric just to see where you want to start. So here I am at the bottom of our bin, and I'm just gluing it very flush to the edge there. Now on the top you don't have to worry so much if it doesn't fit properly because the scarf is going to cover it. Actually, this scarf fit pretty perfectly to the size of the bin, so that was nice. So here I am, I'm just going all around the basket or the bin. And I did cut out the part there for the handle. I'm sorry I didn't show that part, guys, but I pretty much just put my hands over the fabric and felt it out and then just cut it. Here we're at the end of the basket, and I cut a little extra fabric. I think it's better that you cut extra than not enough, and so I'm just gluing it down here together at the seam. As you can see, guys, I am not a seamstress by any means, and I butchered this seam right here. So I ended up taking a black ribbon that I had in my stash and putting it there. But then my husband, after the fact, he had the good idea that he said I could have used some of the leftover scarf fabric to cover that, but oh well, next time. Here I'm just gluing the inside of where the handle is just to make sure everything's in place, and I had this black diamond trim, and so I'm just placing it all around to finish it, give it a nice finish. If you guys enjoying this video so far, guys, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It really helps out my channel and lets me know that you guys want more videos like this. And if you haven't subscribed, it's your first time today, please join our channel here. I would love to have you. And again, guys, don't forget that notification bell. So here I'm just applying more of that bling wrap on the handle. And I had these little black square gems are just in my stash there. You can find these anywhere, any fabric store, Michael's. I thought they fit perfectly, and they mimic the little black squares on the actual pattern of the scarf. So I love the look. Now we're going to go ahead and apply our scarf, and I'm just, for video purposes, I'm using my glue, but it'd be nice, you can use that fabric tape, or you can even sew it on just for, so it can be on there more securely and just to give it a better finish. But I'm just, applying my hot glue, and then now one scarf obviously wasn't enough, so then I had the second one, and this would be perfect right here to use that fabric tape or just sew it together. But I'm applying the glue, and I'm going all around the basket, and then at the edge here I'm just gonna cut a little extra fabric and then just tuck it in. Now you want to go ahead and hot glue all around the inside, and so after that I just kind of went all around the basket, nipping and tucking and gluing wherever else it needed some extra glue. And this is what it looks like, and now I'm just gonna show you how I have it all set up. So here you go, and you can fit a lot in here. I was able to fit like 2 blankets, some magazines. I think it turned out really cute, and like I said, you don't have to use this pattern. The Dollar Tree has a lot of those little flannel different pattern scarves that you can choose from. You can make a few of them. I think it turned out absolutely. I think this will make a really cute gift as well. You can fill it up with some nice, maybe winter items, some scarves, gloves, that sort of thing, a nice blanket. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. If you do recreate this, let me know. I love to hear from you. And again, guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys very soon on my next video. Bye, guys.